Okay, today we're going to teach you how to subtract integers. Mathematically, what you would do is you would add the opposite. This is also known as keep, change, change, and that's the method we're going to use today since you've already explored the many other ways to understand subtracting integers. So our first one today will be the problem -4 minus 3. So you have to look at this and know what you have. You know you have a -4 and you are taking away a +3. So we're going to use a keep, change, change. We're going to abbreviate that KCC. So what you do is you rewrite your equation or your expression. You keep the first number. You change the operations. We're going to be changing the minus, and you also change the second number. You're going to change it from positive to negative or negative to positive. Remember, we already decided this was positive. So I'm going to put a little plus here because we already know it's positive. So we're going to go ahead and change. So this one keeps. We change this to positive and we change this to negative. Then you can go ahead and just do the work. -4 plus -3 is -7. Let's do another example. Let's look at 2 minus 9. Is 2 positive or negative? It's positive. That's correct. And is the 9 positive or negative? The 9 is also positive. You know that because there's no sign in front of it. We only have the operation, but there's no sign, so it's positive. We're going to keep, change, change, okay, or KCC. So we'll start with rewriting the whole thing. We're going to keep the first. We're going to change the sign of the operation, and we're also going to change the sign of the second number. So now we have 2 plus -9, and we know that that answer is -7. Let's go on to our third example. Our third example is going to be 8 take away -1. Let's look at our 8. Is it positive or negative? It's positive. And how about our -1? Well, obviously it's negative. We rewrite the expression, and then we look at our keep, change, change. So we're going to keep the first number, don't change it at all. The operation gets changed to addition. The sign of the second number gets changed as well. So we have 8 plus 1 equals 9. Let's look at one more example. The example is -7 minus -3. All right, so our first number is negative. It is subtraction, and our second number is negative. We rewrite the expression. We're going to do keep, change, change. We keep the -7. We change the we change the operation from negative to positive, and we change the second number from negative to positive. So in this case, this would be the same thing as -7 plus 3, which you know is -4. And that is how we use the keep, change, change method to subtract negative numbers and integers.